now children, today let's start with chapter number 5, conservation of plants and animals. So in this chapter, we will study about biodiversity, what is its importance, right? Then loss of biodiversity. So Earth is the only planet which support life. Condition जो होती है वो favorable होती है within adequate temperature, presence of air and water. The growth of living organisms started millions of years ago, and there were only simple unicellular plants and animals present on the earth. But the evolution of that time, thousands of new species of both plants and animals came into being. All these living organisms, plants of animals are called flora and fauna. They live and grow in the environment, and flora and fauna, they are a particular area along with the non-living surroundings in which they live. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इकोसिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम जो होता है वो किसका बना होता है? लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का, जो कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं? हमारे सराउंडिंग में. And what are its physical components? Air, water and soil. Now, these are the different pictures of the flora and fauna you can see here. Right. Next topic is biodiversity. So, different living organisms live in different types of area. Plants and animals जो कहाँ रह रहे हैं? particular area में. वो किस पे depend होते हैं? Many factors. It depends upon the type of climate, humidity and the type of soil where it is present. All these factors जो होते हैं वो क्या effect करते हैं? Growth of organism in the particular habitat. So the wide range of living organisms that are found in a particular area and their inner relationship with themselves and the environment is called biodiversity, right? So importance of biodiversity, the biodiversity is great importance to all of us. All the components is of utmost importance. Microorganisms, plants and animals, they are mutually dependent on each other. All these creatures, ये important है जो क्या maintain करता है? Balance of the ecosystem, right? ये एक natural cycle है. And we can say that biodiversity is of great importance and therefore needs to be conserved. और इसको हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Conserve करना चाहिए. Now, loss of biodiversity. The continuous decline in the number of animals and plants within the species and loss of species. इसको हम loss of biodiversity कहते हैं. ये essential होती है for our own survival. ठीक है? What are the major causes? So, first is deforestation. Means all species of plants and animals need to be maintained to strike a balance in the ecosystem. A great part of this flora and fauna, they live in the forest and they're the home of not only wild animals but thousands of unknown species. Right? So clearing of forest, cutting down मतलब forest over a wide area इसको हम deforestation कहते हैं. What are the main reason? एक तो land for construction of buildings and factories, right? Land for agriculture to produce more and more food. To get wood which is further used as fuel due to some natural causes, जैसे drought, flood, tsunami. Overgrazing by animals जैसे cattle और sheep हो गए. Now what are the consequences of deforestation? So first is we depend upon the forest for many things. There would be a shortage of many such products if the trees are cut at such rate. Carbon dioxide, major pollutant है, increase in its level atmosphere would cause various respiratory diseases जैसे asthma. Forests are the home to many animals. All these animals live in natural environment. If all these forests are cut, the species are animals के they would become extinct. Now amount of rainfall and soil fertility जो decrease करती है. Deforestation also result in increase in temperature of the planet Earth. Content of carbon dioxide would decrease due to deforestation और जो temperature है Earth का वो क्या करेगा? Rise करेगा. The level of groundwater decreases क्योंकि जो water absorption capacity है soil की वो कम हो जाती है. The reduction in the number of trees would lead to desertification. Roots of trees should have soil forming. Right? Deforestation किस में result करता है? Increase possibility of flood and drought. Next is we should conserve our forest and wildlife to preserve biodiversity. जिससे आप prevent कर सकते हो endangered species from being extinct और आप ecological balance भी nature में maintain करके रख सकते हो. Let's study about some ways जिससे हम forest को conserve कर सकते हैं. First is afforestation. Planting trees more. It is very important part of and we should plant at least as many trees as we can. Preventing forest fire must be checked by various advanced techniques. This is spraying fire extinguishing solution from aircraft, changing direction of the flame. Now prevent overgrazing. It must be controlled to save forest. We eat young trees, destroy leaves on the lower branches और injured क्या करते हैं roots और trunks के. Now, wildlife conservation, it is closely related to forest conservation. When forest is destroyed, the large number of animals have, they can become extinct and endangered. Now, what are the steps? First is hunting regulation. Government laws have to be studied, implemented to regulate hunting. Hunting of animals should be banned. Habitat protection, natural habitat of the wild animals should be preserved by establishing conservation areas. Right? Endemic species, there are thousands of different species found all over the world. Some of the plants and animals are found throughout the globe. However, there are some species of plants and animals which are found only in particular area region, जैसे एशियाटिक लॉयन जो आपको गिर नेशनल पार्क गुजरात में मिलते हैं. Trees of sal and wild mangoes endemic to Panchmadi Biosphere Reserve. From the above statement, endemic species those of plants and animals that are found exclusively in a particular geographical area, right? They are naturally not found anywhere else. As a result, deforestation existing of these endemic species has been threatened, and since their habitat has been destructed to various purposes. Now let's study about some protected area. They are undisturbed. ये undisturbed habitat of wildlife होता है. For conserving and maintaining biological diversity, areas both on land and water are protected through legal laws. Right? National park, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserve, ये कुछ protective area. Now, national parks. Some of the areas are restricted for conservation of wildlife. These areas provide natural habitat to flora and fauna. इससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? लैंडस्केप को भी प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं, हिस्टोरिक ऑब्जेक्ट को भी प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं. Like we have Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga, Gir National, Kanha और सरिस्का. These are some national parks. ये protected होते हैं, right? Next is wildlife sanctuaries. So they are provided protection and suitable living condition of natural habitat. The animals are allowed to live in their natural habitat. Killing and capturing of wild animals in the sanctuary are strictly prohibited, right? What are the names of different wildlife sanctuary? भरतपुर सेंचुरी जो आपकी राजस्थान में, चिलिका उड़ीसा, सुल्तानपुर हरियाणा, बांदीपुर कर्नाटका और मंदुबुलाई that is in Tamil Nadu. Here the map is also given. You can see the wildlife sanctuary in different national park over here. Now, multi-purpose protected areas that are developed to conserve biodiversity and also in educate, train and create awareness about the involved. ये इको फ्रेंडली होता है जिसको बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व कहते हैं. लाइक वी हैव नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, नंदा देवी, सुंदरबन एंड गल्फ ऑफ नंदा, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज रेड डाटा बुक is a book which maintains records of the endangered species of plants and animals. This helps to bring into notice the species which are on the verge of become extinct. Now, recycling of paper. So, this is also one of the reason of deforestation. Wood is needed for making paper. To save our forest from deforestation, we must save paper. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है? पेपर को सेव करना. जितना पेपर को आप सेव करोगे उतना पेपर कटेगा नहीं. Now, reforestation means planting of new trees to store the loss done to deforestation. जो भी loss हुआ है deforestation के, दोबारा से आप plant करें तो उसको हम reforestation कहते हैं. Right? Like reforestation can also be done if the deforested land is left undisturbed for some time. Trees and plants may grow naturally there by the process called natural deforestation. We have started various program also, right? This is all about in this chapter we have completed. Hope you understood. Let's move to the exercise now. Now, first is multiple choice question. Ecosystem includes fauna, flora, non-living and none of these. ठीक है, इसमें दोनों आएंगे, flora, fauna. ठीक है, दोनों include करता है ये, right? Reforestation means planting trees, cutting off trees, animals in forest, wherever, planting trees. Jim Corbett National Park, it's a wildlife sanctuary. It is an example of endangered animal, tiger. Which of the following is an example to threat to biodiversity beside deforestation? Introduction of new species. Next is fill in the blanks. All the living organism along with their non-living component is called the ecosystem. Next is the process of replanting of trees. Afforestation. Dash is the name of the biosphere reserve. that is Nilgiri. The dash of the animals are strictly prohibited in the national park. Killing. The dash of paper helps to save cutting down of trees. Recycling. Now, true false, write T for true and F for false statement. We should reduce the cutting of trees. It's true. World flora means animals living in a particular surrounding. False. वो fauna होता है. Endemic species are those which are particular to a specific. True. Red Data Book maintains the records of endangered plants and animals. It's true. The process of replanting trees is called deforestation. No, it is called reforestation. Now match the following. Wildlife Sanctuary, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Tiger, Endangered Species, Red Data Book, deforestation, excessive cutting, endemic species, that is wild man. Right? Now let's start with the subjective type question, short answer. Define biodiversity. Biodiversity क्या होती है? आपको difference देना है दोनों flora and fauna में. What is the aim of Project Tiger? Deforestation causes soil erosion. Deforestation क्या cause करता है? Soil erosion. What do you understand by endemic species? You have to give example. Now, long question. What is deforestation? Describe the harmful. What is deforestation? Cutting down of trees. आपको कुछ harmful effects भी बताने. आपको deforestation पे शॉर्ट नोट लिखना है. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ रेड डाटा बुक? जितने भी इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज हैं प्लांट्स के एनिमल्स के, उसका डाटा रखता है. व्हाट इज नेशनल पार्क? उसका एम क्या होता है कि हम एनिमल्स को जो इंडेंजर्ड हो उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें. आपको बायोस्फीयर रिसोर्सेज पे एक शॉर्ट नोट भी. राइट, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.